What if the next war on Earth is not controlled by generals, but by powerful artificial intelligence systems? What if soldiers are no longer the ones making the most important decisions on the battlefield? What if advanced algorithms begin deciding targets, strategies, and movements faster than any human commander? It may sound like something from a science fiction movie, but experts believe this future is already beginning. Right now, global tensions between powerful nations are rising faster than the world expected. The United States, Israel, and Iran are at the center of a rapidly changing technological battlefield. But something new and extremely powerful is quietly entering modern warfare. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a research project. It is becoming a weapon powerful enough to completely change how wars are planned, fought, and won. And some experts believe we may already be witnessing the world's first AI-influenced war. For thousands of years, wars were decided by human intelligence, courage, and strategy. Kings, generals, and commanders studied maps for hours before making crucial decisions. Soldiers followed orders, while battles were fought using human judgment and experience. Victory depended on who had the smartest strategy and the strongest army. But modern warfare has changed more in the last 20 years than in the previous 1,000. Today, the battlefield is no longer controlled only by humans. Satellites in space constantly scan the Earth, searching for military movements and hidden threats. High-tech drones monitor every road, every vehicle, and every suspicious movement. Missile defense systems track targets across the sky within seconds. Every single second, the battlefield generates an unimaginable amount of information. Millions of data points appear every moment on the modern battlefield, far beyond human processing speed. Satellite images, drone footage, radar signals, and cyber intelligence arrive simultaneously every single second. No human commander can analyze this overwhelming flood of information quickly enough during active combat. This is exactly where artificial intelligence begins to transform modern military strategy. AI systems can analyze millions of data signals in seconds and instantly detect hidden patterns. These algorithms study movements, behaviors, and signals to predict possible enemy attacks. In some situations, AI can identify military targets even faster than trained human analysts. What once required hours of analysis can now happen in milliseconds. This incredible speed is changing how military commanders think about modern warfare, because in war, the side that reacts faster often wins. The United States is investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence military systems. American defense agencies are building AI capable of analyzing global threats instantly. Advanced military drones now use artificial intelligence to track and identify targets. Some experimental systems can even operate with minimal human control during missions. Researchers are also developing coordinated drone fleets controlled by intelligent algorithms. This technology is often described as a drone swarm. Imagine hundreds of drones acting like a single intelligent machine in the sky. Together, these machines can scan large areas and attack targets with extreme precision. This type of technology could completely transform future military operations. And the United States is not the only country exploring AI warfare. Israel is considered one of the most technologically advanced nations in the world when it comes to modern military systems. In recent years, Israel has developed powerful artificial intelligence tools designed to analyze complex battlefield data instantly. These advanced systems process enormous volumes of surveillance information gathered from satellites, drones, and intelligence networks. Artificial intelligence helps military commanders detect hidden threats and suspicious activities that humans might easily overlook. By analyzing behavior patterns and movement data, AI systems can reveal potential dangers before they become visible. Supporters believe artificial intelligence can improve precision and reduce mistakes during high-pressure combat operations. But critics warn that relying too heavily on algorithms in war could create extremely dangerous consequences. Even the most advanced artificial intelligence systems can still make unexpected and potentially deadly mistakes. A single wrong calculation in the middle of a conflict could trigger devastating and uncontrollable results. While the United States and Israel continue expanding AI warfare technology, Iran is developing its own strategies. Over the past decade, Iran has invested heavily in advanced drone technology and unmanned aerial systems. These drones are becoming more capable with each generation, increasing their range, speed, and surveillance abilities. At the same time, cyber warfare has become one of the most powerful weapons in modern global conflicts. Experts believe future wars will not only be fought on land, sea, and air, but also inside digital networks. Invisible cyber attacks could disrupt communication systems, power grids, and military infrastructure without warning. This means the next major war could exist simultaneously on physical battlefields and inside cyberspace. Artificial intelligence is dramatically accelerating the speed of warfare beyond anything humanity has experienced before. Machines can detect threats and respond to danger far faster than human commanders ever could. However, this incredible speed also increases the risk of conflicts escalating extremely quickly. A small error inside an automated system could trigger a dangerous chain reaction across military networks. When machines begin reacting to other machines, humans may struggle to maintain full control. Conflicts could escalate faster than political leaders and military commanders can intervene. For centuries, war has always been controlled by human decisions, strategies, and leadership. But today, that control may slowly be shifting toward powerful, intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence is becoming a central part of modern military strategy and defense planning. These systems analyze threats, predict possible attacks, and recommend strategic actions. Some experts believe the era of AI-influenced warfare may have already begun. But the most important question about this technological revolution still remains unanswered. Will humans remain fully in control of the machines they have created? Or are we witnessing the beginning of the first artificial intelligence war in human history?